A customer has reported a suspected gas leak inside their house at 19 Spring Hill Road, Novus. Please perform an indoor gas leak investigation. Truck is parked upwind of the potential leak area. Grab CGI tool from your tool belt and power it on. Perform necessary checks on the CGI. Typically when setting the CGI for calibration you need to follow these steps. Check the battery, turn it on in a gas-free atmosphere, check the flow block, finalize with calibrating the CGI. You have attached to your belt an intentionally safe flashlight that you will need to use throughout the investigation. During your investigation, please refrain from using the doorbell, turning on any lights or having any sources of ignition. Please make your way to the front door. Slightly open the door to create a narrow gap. Insert the CGI tool into the gap to take a gas reading, then close the door once complete. Go to the customer to ask them questions.
Where did you first smell the odor?
I'm not sure.
What did the odor smell like?
It smelled like rotten eggs.
How long have you smelled the odor?
I've been smelling it throughout the week.
Do you know which appliances are using gas?
The fireplace, stove, and the furnace.
Thank you for your information. Please do not smoke or operate electrical switches, telephones, cell phones, matches, lighters, or any open flames during the investigation.
Okay, sure.
Perform CGI checks at the appropriate locations throughout the house. While you are investigating, the surroundings should be evaluated for non-gas sources of odor, such as spoiled vegetables, broken sewer lines, dead animals, animal excretions, auto exhaust fumes, fertilizers, black topping, and gasoline. Use CGI to check gas meter attached to the house for any leaks. Open the door and go inside the house. Quickly close the door behind you so that the gas does not. Use CGI to check top of the basement stairwell. Use CGI to check atmosphere of the basement, utility room or other enclosed areas. Use CGI to check sewer drain in the basement. You should now start to investigate all the appliances throughout the house or other possible sources of the gas smell. The gas leak has been found. Please reference warning tag process to follow the next steps. Complete additional steps before closing out investigation. Proceed outside the house. Please quickly close the door behind you. A visual inspection of the service regulator vent line should be performed if the employee is working in the vicinity of the vent line, and it is accessible. Prior to completing an inside investigation resulting from an inside odor complaint, adequate bar holes should be made to rule out potential leaks migrating from adjacent structures. A test hole shall be made over the service line within 5 feet of the building's foundation. Grab a plunger bar from the back of the truck and bring back to the highlighted location near the meter. Make a bar hole over the service line near the meter. Place the plunger with the trigger on the desired area, then press and hold the grip on the plunger handle, and plunge up and down until the meter has filled or until the hole has been made. Use the CGI to detect any readings from the hole. Proceed to the highlighted zone to complete investigation. Congratulations on completing the training.